Okay, this is the 12-2 end of lesson review, and we're going to do the 12-2 work together. So when you click on that and it comes up, it's going to tell us, determine the federal income tax that must be withheld for each employee. Use the tax withholding tables in lesson 12-2 of your textbook. Calculate the amount of Social Security tax and Medicare tax that must be withheld for each employee. Social Security rate is 6.2% and Medicare tax rate is 1.45%. And none of the employees has accumulated earnings greater than the tax base. So we're going to round dollars to the nearest cent. So I actually have to grab my book and open it by clicking on the blue book that says full book. And then I want to go to my table of contents because it makes it easier. Table of contents. And I'm going to go to 12-2. So chapter 12. And then I'm going to go to 12-2. Income tax withholding. So I'm going to click on the single one first. Okay, so John P. Clausen is married, has 2 withholdings, and makes $1,360. So I need to go to the married one. I don't know about y'all. I cannot see this. I must be blind. I don't know what's going on with that. Oh, shoot. You can click it and make it bigger? I just clicked on the total wrong thing. Hold on. Click on the image. Oh, cool. Okay, so I'm going to go to 1,360, which is right here. So at least that, but less than 1,380. See, so 1,360 right here, and he has 2. So I made sure he's married. This is the one for 0. This is the one for 1, and this is the one for 2. See this $52 right there. So I'm going to put $52 right here. And I like to do all of the federal income tax withholding first because it's easier so I can close the book. So I'm actually going to do this married one for employee number 5, Terry Lambert. And she made, or he, I don't know, made $1,510. So I come right here to between $1,500 and $1,520, right? $1,500 to $1,520. And then she has 3. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and it's $50. So I'm gonna put that there, $50. Now how do I get out of it, Adrian? The X? Thank you, Adrian. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the single withholding. They need to make that an easier way to do this. I've been clicking on
the book. You click on the book.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to do the single one. This is for Janice Edison. She made $980. She has 1 withholding. So I'm going to come right here to at least $980 to $1,000, and 1 withholding is $79. And then Anthony Simpson has 2 withholdings and made $1,125. So I'm going to go right here, $1,120 to $1,140, and I'm going to go across to 2 withholdings right here, $77. And Adrian liked to make errors last year because he would forget that there can be 0. And so he would just say like 1, 2, and he would choose like that $100 when really the 2 is $96 or $86. So you just have to make sure you don't do that. Yeah, you messed that up a lot last year. So it's not escape. Click the book. Oh, okay, click the book. Okay. So to go back to it, you click the book. I don't actually need it right now, so I'm clicking off of it. Okay, I'm going to bring up my calculator so you can see. Ooh, if I can drag it, it's behind everything on this other screen. I actually think it was so much easier when we actually used textbooks and used Excel. Oh, get smaller, little thing. I hate when it's really big. It's weird. Okay, so Social Security tax is 6.2%. So I'm going to type in 1360, and I'm going to multiply that by, I can do 6.2 and hit my percent key, and then hit equals, which is 84.32. Or I could do it like this, 1360 times 0.062. Either way. I like to move the decimal myself in my head because I feel like it's easier and there's less things to do. So I told my college kids that last night when we were doing Excel, and they got mad that I wasn't following the book. I was trying to give them the fastest way to do it. They're like, well, that's not what the book says. I said, well, the book is stupid. I've been doing accounting a long time. I would like things to be as easy as possible. Okay, then I take 980, I multiply that by 0.062, that's 6076. Then I do 1510 times 0.062, it's $93.62. And then 1125 times 0.0625 or 062, 69.75. Then I got to do Medicare. And that is 1360 times 0.0145, $19.72. 980 times 0.0145, $14.21. 1510 times 0.0145 is $21.90 because we have to make it to cents. And then 1125 times 0.0145, 16.31. And then that's it. Save and continue. And it shows up. Let's make sure I did it won't tell me. Okay, so now they're going to do these. I'm not going to do this one with you because I feel like this is all very self-explanatory. Do you need me to do this one with you, or do you understand what to do? Okay, I am going to continue without saving. And I got all the points, so just making sure. Let me stop that recording.